Saee Kamil Private Limited operates as a dynamic force in the realm of garment manufacturing, driven by an unwavering commitment to continuous learning and advancement. Situated in Lahore, Pakistan, our company boasts two state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities dedicated to knitwear and denim production. We offer a comprehensive, all-encompassing solution for garment and apparel needs, spanning an array of choices, including fabric variation, design, printing, embroidery, labeling, packaging, and logistics sports. Our specializations lies in the crafting of workwear, overalls and coveralls, catering specifically to the requirements of industrious laborers. Furthermore, we excel in tailoring bespoke uniforms tailored to the unique demands of industries and factories. Within our ranks, a team of design maestros, skill cutters, adept stitchers and meticulous finishers collaborates harmoniously. Both knitwear and denim houses distinct and dedicated teams, each focusing on their respective domain of expertise.